The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 is shaping up to be one of the most important foldable phones of 2026. Samsung has taken everything it learned from earlier flip models and made serious improvements in durability, design, and software. With this new version, the company is trying to solve some of the biggest concerns people have about foldable smartphones. One of the most impressive new features is the foreign material detection system. Foldable phones are delicate because of the hinge and flexible display. Even tiny dust particles can cause scratches or damage if the phone is closed with debris inside. Samsung's new system is designed to detect microscopic particles in the hinge area before the device fully shuts. If something is detected, the phone can alert the user. This feature may use a mix of hardware sensors and smart software algorithms to check for obstructions in real time. If Samsung implements part of this system through software, there is even a chance it could be added to older foldable models through updates. That would show Samsung's commitment to improving its devices even after launch. Most importantly, this new detection system directly addresses one of the biggest durability worries people have about foldables. In terms of design, the Galaxy Z Flip 8 is expected to look more refined and modern. Reports suggest it will have slightly rounded corners and a more ergonomic shape. This makes the phone more comfortable to hold, especially during long use. Samsung is also rumored to be working on a wider screen, giving users more space for multitasking and watching videos. A wider display could make the Flip 8 feel more practical for daily use. Foldable phones are no longer just about style. People want them to be functional too. A larger and more usable screen helps the device compete with traditional smartphones. Samsung may also expand its foldable lineup with another book-style foldable model. This would give users more choices, especially those who want larger screens for productivity or entertainment. By offering more options, Samsung continues to strengthen its leadership in the foldable market. On the software side, the Galaxy Z Flip 8 will debut with One UI 9 built on Android 17. This version of Samsung's software is optimized for foldable devices. It is expected to improve multitasking with better split screen support and smoother app transitions. Drag and drop features may also feel more natural, allowing users to move content between apps easily. Another interesting addition is privacy-focused display technology. This feature allows users to adjust screen visibility when they are in public places. It can reduce viewing angles so that people nearby cannot easily see what is on the screen. This adds an extra layer of security, which is helpful for reading private messages or working on sensitive documents. Durability remains one of Samsung's main priorities with the Z Flip 8. In addition to the foreign material detection system, the phone is expected to use stronger materials and improved protective layers. These upgrades are meant to handle daily wear and tear more effectively. The hinge mechanism is also likely to be improved. Smarter hinge obstruction alerts could warn users if something is blocking the folding process. Small changes like this make the phone feel safer and more reliable over time. Samsung clearly understands that long-term durability is key for foldable phones to become mainstream. The Galaxy Z Flip 8 represents more than just another yearly upgrade. It shows how foldable phones are evolving from experimental devices into practical everyday tools. By focusing on durability, usability, and privacy, Samsung is making foldables more appealing to a wider audience. As foldable technology continues to grow, the improvements seen in the Z Flip 8 could influence the entire industry. Samsung is not just refining its product, it is helping shape the future of smartphones. The Galaxy Z Flip 8 proves that foldable devices are no longer a novelty. They are becoming a serious and reliable choice for modern users.